So bad for me, can't stand it anymore. Oh my gosh, it's so bad for me. So bad for me. Little did I know the things you do to me, but I'm not scared at all to fall in love again. And all around the places I went with you all, the never-ending fights that you'd always put up. Struggling with myself every time you come close. Every time you come close, I'm giving you up. Can't stand it anymore. Oh my gosh, it's so bad for me. So bad for me. Can't stand it anymore. Oh my gosh, it's so bad for me. So bad for me.
Oi, gente, eu sou a Luma. Irmã da Gabriel.
Tá tímida ela, então.
Tô com alergia.
Tá
mas...
tímida ela, então.
Não, gente, eu não sou tímida, não.
Já achei o Instagram dela. Inclusive, falando em Instagram, se você não me segue ainda,